So,
cooking together.
This is Cooking Together for Fun.
And we're going to make...
with Eliana, and we're going to make a smoothie. And I already put in the almond milk. And this is 8 ounces?
10 ounces.
10 ounces. And we have blackberries, blueberries, and strawberries in here. And this is 1 cup.
Go ahead, put it in.
And put it in. So where's the sugar in there? Is that sugar? And we have 1 1/3 of coconut milk, and we're gonna carefully, gently, made a little mess. Carefully, gently put that on there. Can we just use this one?
That's fine.
No, I'm gonna use that one.
No, just leave it there. Leave it there. We'll clean it up later.
Okay. And we have the proteins and the grains. So, do I put the protein or the grains?
All of it. It's all got to go in there.
And so I'm going to put the greens in.
2 cups.
2 cups of it. I need to not make a mess, really. Okay. You don't want to use the ones on the floor. Cat hair. Okay. And what we have now is, what is it called?
Glutamine.
Glutamine. And you need a little bit of glutamine in it. So you only need a little bit. And a full scoop. So there's a full scoop of glutamine, and you also need a full scoop of, what's it called again?
Protein.
Protein. It's like the most part of it, but you dump that in there.
All right, now put the lid on.
Now, I'm going to put the lid on right here. And that is Cooking Together for Fun.
You want to taste it first?
Yeah. So let me go get So here we are gonna taste it. I'm gonna pour it in and we're gonna taste it.
Good.
There we go. Okay.
How's it taste?
It's good. So like and subscribe and hit the bell button, the ding. And this is another episode of Cooking Together for Fun. And subscribe to see more Cooking Together for Fun.